Today, I'll show you how to edit text in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're preparing a professional document or just making a few tweaks to a PDF, knowing how to effectively edit text can be incredibly useful. Adobe Acrobat provides a robust set of tools that make this task straightforward and efficient. So let's dive right in and learn how to make those edits with ease. First, you'll want to open your document in Adobe Acrobat. Once your PDF is displayed, navigate to the top toolbar where you'll find the Edit option. Clicking on this will activate the editing mode, allowing you to make changes to your document. This is your gateway to adjusting the text, and it's a great starting point for any modifications you need to make. Now, to select the specific text you want to edit, look for the text box or the area where your desired text is located. Click inside the bounding box of this text. You'll notice that your cursor will change to an insertion point, indicating that you can now begin making changes. This step is crucial because it tells Acrobat exactly where you want to focus your edits. Once you've selected the text, it's time to modify the content. You can delete unwanted text by selecting it and hitting the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. If you need to replace text, simply highlight the existing text and start typing your new content. Alternatively, you can also add new text by positioning your cursor where you want the new text to appear and then typing away. It's all about flexibility here, allowing you to tailor the document to meet your specific needs. To further refine your document, you might want to adjust the appearance of the text. On the right side of the screen, you'll find the Format sidebar. This is your control panel for text styling. From here, you can change the font type, size, and color to better fit the look and feel you're aiming for. Adjusting these settings can make a significant difference in the professionalism and readability of your document. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to editing text in Adobe Acrobat. With these tools at your disposal, you can ensure that your PDF documents are always polished and exactly how you want them to be. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different fonts and layouts until you find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.